get it right!
Hi, my name is Amos. No, not Anus, I said Amos. And today I'm going to show you how to drive an American pickup truck. Fuck yeah. So what we have here is a 2007 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD 16. And the 16 because it says 4x4 on the back. I don't know why they made us do the math, but this baby runs on the finest Arab oils, like olive oil and sunflower oil and stuff. So we come around to the side here, you can see just how big the truck is. Now, I'm 8 foot 11 inches, and that's not even my height. Yeah, it's a joke about my, anyways, I'm 6 foot 2. So this truck is way bigger than me, and that's good, because it means I can sit in it and look down on people, and I like doing that. Hey, bring me another beer, bitch. No, Sugar Bear, I was just joking in front of my friends. I didn't mean any of that. You don't have to worry about that. Please, don't make me sleep out with the dogs again. Last time, Caesar never stopped humping my leg. This is Ellie Mae. She's my cousin. What was I talking about again? Oh, yeah, the bed. This one's got a big bed, space for all my stuff, like firewood that I bought at the gas station and a tow hook that I never use. What's going on? Who's there? Welcome to my truck. Now, technically, this classifies as a bicycle because it's only got 2 pedals because it's an automatic. Real cars have got 3 pedals, but that's okay because there's nothing that says you've got a huge penis just like having a big pickup truck. Now, this is a Chevy. And the drink of choice for when you drive a Chevy is Bud Light. Cheers. What seems to be the problem, officer? No, this is just, it's a Bud Light. It's not beer, it's piss. Okay, you too. Thank you, officer. Wow, look, babe. It's nature. Yeah, let's go. Now keep in mind, signs with speed on them are recommended. Doesn't mean you have to drive it. I always like to drive about 25, 30 miles an hour over that so that I can just, you know, overtake the slower traffic, the pieces of shit in there, stupid regular cars. Oh, hell yeah! I take this truck off-road all the time. There we go. Now you know everything you need to know, and you too can be a successful pickup truck driver if you follow all those steps. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.